long before the galaxies we know existed, before the light we see tonight had ever begun its journey. There was darkness, a deep, infinite darkness. The cosmic dawn awaited in silence, wrapped in a thick, impenetrable fog. In the beginning, before stars, before galaxies, before even the whisper of light, the universe was dark. An ocean of sealants stretched in every direction. The cosmos had just been born in fire, yet it rested in shadow. Time itself was only a few 100 million years old, and the vast expanse was filled with nothing more than invisible particles, drifting in a primordial fog. This was the cosmic dawn, the silent prelude before the first sparks of creation ignited. Imagine standing at the edge of that moment, where the sky above holds no stars, no constellations, no Milky Way arching in silver light, just a black canvas, cold and empty, waiting for something to begin. It was here, in this vast emptiness, that the seeds of light began to stir. The first stars were not like the stars we know today. They were titans, immense, blazing beacons made of pure hydrogen and helium, born from the simplest ingredients the universe had to offer. Their lives were short, just a few million years, but their brilliance transformed the universe. They poured radiation into the void, burning away the cosmic fog that had cloaked existence. For the first time since the Big Bang, the darkness broke. These stars, known as Population 3 stars, marked the turning of an age. They forged the first heavy elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, the very materials that would one day shape planets, oceans, and life itself. Without their fiery deaths, there would be no us. Around them, galaxies began to take shape. The early universe was restless, turbulent. Clouds of gas collapsed under gravity, swirling into spirals and clusters. Dark matter, the unseen skeleton of the cosmos, sculpted a web-like framework, pulling normal matter into filaments and nodes. This invisible structure became the scaffolding for the galaxies we know today. And in those galaxies, the universe's story accelerated. Black holes roared to life at their centers, devouring matter and unleashing jets of radiation. Stars formed in clusters, painting the heavens with brilliance. The cosmos went from empty to crowded in just a fraction of its lifetime. For billions of years, this story remained hidden. No telescope, no instrument built by human hands could see far enough back in time to witness the cosmic dawn. The light from those first stars and galaxies had traveled for over 13 billion years, stretched and reddened by the expansion of space itself. By the time it reached us, it was faint, fragile, almost beyond reach. Until now. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in December 2021, was humanity's attempt to pierce that veil. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, which captured the visible universe in dazzling color, Webb was built to see the invisible. Its massive golden mirrors were tuned to infrared light, the stretched ancient glow of the first galaxies. Webb could look farther back in time than anything before it, to within just a few 100 million years of the Big Bang. And what it found reshaped our understanding of the universe. When Webb's first images were released in July 2022, the world was stunned. What looked like faint specks of light, galaxies upon galaxies, were not ordinary. Some of them were so ancient, so distant, that they existed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. That may sound like a vast gulf of time, but in cosmic terms, it was the universe's childhood. For the first time, we were seeing the galaxies that lived at the dawn of creation. These galaxies weren't what scientists expected. They were brighter, more massive, and more complex than theory predicted. In such a young universe, galaxies should have been small and chaotic, barely formed. Yet Webb showed us spirals and clusters, galaxies already well on their way to becoming giants. It was as if the universe was in a hurry, building stars and structures far faster than we imagined. One of Webb's first great surprises came from a patch of sky no larger than a grain of sand held at arm's length. Within that tiny field, Webb revealed thousands of galaxies, many of them ancient. It was a reminder of just how vast the cosmos truly is, that in every direction, no matter how small, the universe holds treasures beyond count. But Webb didn't just show us distant galaxies. It uncovered the physics of their light, splitting it into spectra that revealed their chemical fingerprints. And within those fingerprints were hints of the first heavy elements: carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen. The building blocks of planets and life were already present, forged in the hearts of the earliest stars. This meant something profound. The ingredients for life were seeded into the cosmos almost as soon as the first stars died. Life, it seems, was written into the script of the universe from its earliest chapters. Webb also brought us face to face with the great engines of creation: black holes. In galaxies from the cosmic dawn, Webb detected signs of supermassive black holes, behemoths millions, even billions of times the mass of our sun. How they grew so quickly in such a young universe is one of the great mysteries that scientists now grapple with. Did they form from the collapse of giant stars, or did they arise directly from clouds of primordial gas? Webb has given us the questions, but the answers remain hidden. And then there are the stars themselves. Webb has peered through cosmic dust, uncovering nurseries where new suns are being born. In the Carina Nebula, in the pillars of creation, we see stars just beginning to shine, their light carving away the gas around them. These modern cradles of light are echoes of that first dawn, reminders that the process which began billions of years ago continues even now. Through Webb, we are not only witnessing history, we are watching creation unfold in real time. But perhaps the most staggering revelation of all is this: the universe is stranger and more alive than we thought. Webb has forced us to rethink the pace of cosmic evolution. Galaxies didn't just stumble into being. They surged, blossomed, and collided in ways that defy our models. What we thought would be a slow, gradual unfolding was, in truth, a cosmic storm. This has led some to wonder, if the universe was so quick to form stars and galaxies, could it also have been quick to form the conditions for life? If the seeds were sown early, then perhaps the story of life is more universal, more common than we dared hope. The cosmic dawn, once hidden, is now an open book, and every page Webb turns reveals more mysteries. We are left with a paradox. The more we see, the less certain we become. Every discovery Webb makes seems to ask more questions than it answers. How did galaxies grow so fast? How did black holes become so massive so quickly? What unknown forces shaped the early universe? And yet, perhaps that is the point. The universe was never meant to be fully understood. It is a story too vast, too intricate, to be captured in a single narrative. What Webb offers us is not closure, but wonder. A reminder that we live in a cosmos where mystery is the natural state of things. As we gaze at Webb's images, the shimmering arcs of galaxies bent by gravity, the faint red glow of stars that lived and died before Earth even existed, we are seeing not just the past, but the echoes of our own beginning. Every atom in our bodies, every breath we take, traces back to those first stars. We are made of their ashes, the living proof of their brilliance. In the end, the cosmic dawn is not a distant event, frozen in history. It is alive in us. Every time we look to the night sky, we are reaching across billions of years to touch the light that made us possible. The James Webb Space Telescope has given us that gift. The ability to witness our origin story with our own eyes. And in doing so, it has reminded us of something timeless. That the universe is not just out there, beyond our reach. It is within us, written in our bones, our blood, and our breath. We are not observers of the cosmic dawn. We are its children. And as Webb continues to gaze deeper, to turn more pages of this cosmic book, we are invited to remember that we, too, are part of the story. Our journey, our search for meaning, is another verse in the endless song of the stars. So when you look up tonight into the dark canopy of space, remember that you are seeing not just light, but memory. You are witnessing the echoes of a universe that has been unfolding for 13.8 billion years, and still somehow has only just begun. Because the dawn was never only in the past. The dawn is now. The dawn is always.